Thank you. Please be seated. Our Cabinet Secretary for Education, the Governor, the great County of Kisumu, the one and only Professor Anyang' Nyong'o, the Executive Committee, adjudicators, our visitors from Uganda, the trainers, the distinguished participants, our students and pupils. God is good, and all the time. Nisalimieni ya hewa. Bwana asifiwe. Bwana asifiwe tena. Asante sana Waziri. First and foremost, I'm very happy to be here on the lakeside city of Kisumu and to have had time to enjoy song and dance. It's been very, very refreshing. After a whole year campaigning every day, it was such an enjoyable 3 hours of listening to song and dance. I'm informed that despite the very elaborate arrangements, there was an accident from Waso Secondary School where one teacher, Joseph Wanjala, lost his life in an accident, and we say pole. And in the memory of that late teacher, I ask you to stand up for 1 minute in silence so that we give honor to that departed great teacher. Thank you very much. Be seated. I had a long speech, but I don't want to read it because this is a very joyous occasion and it can be spoiled by too much talking. And I don't want to be like Wanjohi to say that I don't want to say anything and then say everything. It is clear that the abundance of talent and creativity in this country is on another level. I want to say congratulations to all the participants. I want to say pongezi to the trainers. I want to say pongezi to the adjudicators and all those who helped in training and guiding our students for such a great show. The Ruto administration has a pillar called Digital Superhighway and the Creative Economy. And that is why I'm here. We are not just looking at creativity, about art of work, just for entertainment. We want to look at creative work as a source of income. Our administration has very elaborate policies and programs to translate the creativity and the talent of our young people into a source of income and a way of life. And from what I have seen here, I am persuaded that we have made the right decision and we have a job to do, because the creativity and talent among our young people is extraordinary. So I want to assure our young people that the new administration has a good plan for you. And going forward, very soon, we'll roll out a program on how to harness the talent and the creativity of our young people and slowly and gradually turn it into a source of income and a contribution to our GDP. I must say that I'm amazed by the level of organization. 89,000 participants is no mean feat. From my experience, it's a logistical nightmare. I want to tell the organizers pongezi. And I really want to thank our officers in the National Government Administration, the Regional Commissioner and your team, the Regional Police Commander and your team for a good job. That is the way to go. that we have taken care of our young ones, and this activity has gone on without any incident. And that is the way things will be done. I want to encourage our teachers to continue doing the good job they are doing in co-curricular activities as a way of harnessing the talent of our young people over and above the academic pursuit. And I really want to say that we as a government will be supportive. I have heard what the chairman has said, and I want to ask our members of parliament who are here, please reinstate the money for this music festival so that our young people can be mentored to be even better people. I listened here as I was seated here at Nairobi School playing the song called Thriller by Michael Jackson. And I remembered we were dancing in the 80s. And I've listened to the various presentations here. And anybody who cares for young people and their talent development should have been here with Professor Nyang'o. These young people who are here, the 89,000 students, the trainers, the adjudicators, don't care which tribe you come from. They don't care which political party you belong to. They don't care who won and who lost the last election. All they want is to be given an opportunity to develop their talent and to be men and women of substance. And that is why I salute Professor Anyang' Nyong'o for your pragmatic leadership and responsible leadership of being where the young people are. I challenge the leadership of this area, the members of parliament and senators. I don't know what explanation you can give to these young people for not being here today. You should have been here to mentor them, to listen to them, to witness the abundance of talent among them, so that when you go to parliament, you can make laws to make them better and improve their lives. I have listened to a student in Form 4 from Thika School of the Visually Impaired by the name June. I've heard one of the most melodious voices I've ever heard in my life. And in recognition of that melody, and to encourage that young girl, I'll take over her education up to where she goes. Waziri, I want to say there is a lot of concern about the new program called CBC. From parents, from teachers, from students, and from people. Is that true? Our new government will very soon be unveiling a task force to look at educational reforms, including CBC, with a view not of abolishing it, but reviewing it so that we retain what is good and improve what is causing concern. So we ask the people of Kenya, when that team is unveiled and is going around the country, please don't just complain at home and in the market centers. Turn up and present your views of what you think should be done to improve CBC and the entire educational center. To show our commitment to the creative economy and to develop young people to be the leaders of tomorrow. You know, Governor, people have been telling the young people they are the leaders of tomorrow just by word of mouth. Our government is very serious about developing young leaders. And I have come with very young leaders here today. Most of them are products of the music festival. Others are product of the drama festival. Others are young leaders whom Dr. William Ruto and I are mentoring so that they can be the future of this country. I want to ask the team that I came with to come here. The team of members of parliament and artists, just come here so that I can introduce you. We want people to be serious when they say that young people are the leaders of tomorrow. Dr. William Ruto and I are leading by example, by mentoring the young people. I want to start here with Charles Jaguar, aka Jaguar. This is a guy who sang Kigeugeu. Mkataka kumwambia kidogo? Patia microphone kidogo. Wapi wewe cheza microphone, patia wewe cheza kidogo. DJ. Haya. DJ. Is a wealthy young man from Thailand. He drives the latest Jaguar in town. He drives a Mercedes 500 S-Class out of talent. I brought him here to tell you young people that out of your talent, the sky is the limit. Thank you. I've also brought a comedian called Vincent Mwasia, alias Chipukizi. Mkataka kumsikia kwa kidogo? Hata Chipukizi. Asante. They say in Kisumu City, don't throw stones anyhow. You might hit a graduate. So, asante sana, I'm blessed. Asante. I want to challenge you young people. Please seek leadership positions. Let nobody tell you that politics is dirty. Some people must take charge of this country, and that includes you. I want to introduce Cleo Malala. You know him? This guy became popular to be elected as senator of Kakamega because of being a producer in drama. Mpigieni makofi. Niko na huyu mjumbe wa Embakasi West anaitwa George Deuri. He was also an actor. This young man you see here is a son of a single mother. Is what you call true bottom-up. When I was nominated to be deputy president, he is the one who has replaced me as a member of parliament for Madeira. Very young man. This guy here, I want to encourage our young girls. This little girl, 24-year-old, is called Toto. She is a member of parliament for Bomet County. This girl, a 24-year-old girl, defeated mature women, rich women, popular and famous women, and now she is a women rep for Bomet, earning a salary of 1 million shillings. So I want to tell you, young people, the sky is the limit. Kama huyu mtoto amechaguliwa, si hata anaweza chaguliwa? Asante toto. And I have this one little girl, anaitwa Kasheri. The women rep for Morala. She is called Betty Akosara. Betty Akosara. This is a women rep for Morala. Then I have, who else is there? Sonko. This is another young guy. You can see Nelson is a member of parliament for Belgut for the second term in Kericho. Pigeni makofi. Then niko hapa na Silvanus Osoro. Silvanus Osoro is a member of parliament from South Mugirango for the second term and the majority whip of the National Assembly. We want to confirm to the people of Nyanza. We want to confirm to the people of Nyanza that the Ruto administration will serve all Kenyans, those who elected us and those who did not. And all parts of Kenya will get development equally because we are leaders for the whole country. And therefore, as we go forward, we want to thank everybody. We want to thank the organizers. We have looked at a few presentations here, and I have told the chairman that we want 2 or 3 teams to come to State House for Machujaa Day and come and perform for the people of Kenya, so that we allow our people to grow and we give them an opportunity to excel. Na kwa hayo mengi na watakia mema. Mungu awabariki, amulinde, na mukirudi nyumbani musalimiane. May God bless you and bless you abundantly. Thank you very much.